Okay guys, I'm going to quickly show you guys how you could have done this graph or should have done this graph, and I'm going to make it really short and quick. So first off, let's figure out how many intervals. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, wow that was awful, 9, 10, 11 intervals. Oh, there's number 12 right there. So you're going to need to make a data table with all 12 intervals, and in those intervals you're going to probably need to have the time, the total time, the distance, the total distance, the position, and I would probably put a little category that says speeding up, slowing down, and so forth, because you're going to need to know that as you map out your steps. So now that we have all our intervals, what you should be doing is drawing a line at 0. And then you want to find the area of each of these boxes. Yay! If you notice all of the enthusiasm in my voice, it's because Walker had issues with my last video in which I was trying to be quiet because the kids were sleeping. Anyways, here are all of my boxes that I'm drawing enthusiastically. Boom, boom. Don't mind the awful shapes. I'm just trying to show you how to draw the boxes, and that would be everything. So, the area of this first one, the height is 5, the width is 2, that gives me an area of 10. That means that the area under the curve is 5. And then the next one, it goes from 2 seconds to 7 seconds, so that is a width of 5 and the height of 5, so an area of 25. And then the next one, it goes from 7 seconds to 10 seconds, so a width of 3 and a height of 5 is 15.5. That's 7.5. And now I'm realizing I might have messed up something. Anyways, now let's go over here. This is 0 for interval 4. For interval 5, if I'm doing this rather quickly, I believe it's going from 15 to 18. That's a width of 3. And therefore a height of 8. That makes 24 divided by 2 is 12. But that is backwards. Alright, and now if I do this next one, it has a width of 4 and a height of 8, making 32, which means this is negative 16. Now we go 0 in that interval. We stop for a few seconds. Now the height of this one is 10 by a width of 25 to 28, 30. So that's 30, and this is 15. And then this one also has a height of 10, but only a width of 2. So that's a box of 20, which means the triangle is 10. And now we have this little one in interval number 10, which goes for 2 seconds and only goes down to negative 3, which means the area of the box is 6, but the triangle is negative 3. Alright, and then this box down here is going to be from 32 seconds to 42 seconds, so 10 seconds, and that's a height of 3. That's 30, negative 30, and then we stop for 2 seconds for 0. So if I'm doing my math accurately, and I think this is where I had messed up earlier, we've got 5 plus 25 is 30, plus 7.5 is 37.5, minus 12 should give us, 25.5 minus 16 should give us 9.5, and, or I'm sorry, yeah, 9.5. Then we go up 15, which will put us at 24.5, then 34.5, then we subtract 3, we're at 31.5, then we subtract 30, and we should be at 1.5, and that's where you should be ending. Anyways, that's the short of it. Hopefully you guys did it. The other thing you need to really take in count is that in interval 1, you went those 5 meters forward, but you were getting faster and faster and faster. But then for the next 20, I wish I could read my own handwriting. Maybe I did my math wrong. Anyways, for this interval 2, you're going at a constant speed for those 25 feet. Yeah, I think I did my math wrong. And then you slow down, and then you are also moving forward, slowing down, then you stop, then you speed up going backwards, and you slow down going backwards, and you stop, then you speed up going forwards, and you slow down going forwards, and you stop. Then you, or no, I'm sorry, you don't stop. You turn around and go backwards, getting faster, then you stop accelerating at a speed of 3 meters per second. Done.